Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies on the road. We're heading to Akron to check out a model show and swap meet. So I will bring you back when we get there.
All right, after about an hour and 45 minutes of driving, we're at Copley High School, home of the Indians, for the plastic Undercover model show. Give me a few minutes to set up, and we'll see what we can find.
Okay, we made it inside, and I'm telling you, this place is huge. Vendors in the back. Everybody's just starting to file in now. I got here early enough to where I was early to be early. Got mine set up. Forgot my 9-volt battery, so Zach's on a run to go get that.
Here at Grandpa Mark's Hobbies, we are making an emergency battery run for the fire truck that doesn't have a 9-volt battery in it.
But once we get all the cars set up here, I will bring you back and show you everybody's setup. And while everybody's set up, we'll take a quick walk down Vendors Lane here. There's a lot of people selling some awesome stuff. I am glad that I gave Zach my wallet, or else I'd be in trouble right now. So we'll walk through here and do some highlights of everything that's set up. But we got some good people here, a lot of vendors. And then up front, we got a lot of people setting up. So I'll bring you back in about an hour. I'm going to bring you in for Johan. They got something new that you will for sure see me build. I've been looking for a kit like this for a long time. It'll be out in mid-November. I talked to him. He's going to get a hold of me as soon as it's available. And we'll do an unboxing and a full build of this one. I don't know if we're taking a walk down memory lane, but I'll tell you what, some real nice builds here. I'll try to go slow enough so you can see everything there. And we'll move down so I'm not rocking and rolling. Hey, look at the GTO. That's pretty sharp. Oh, it's mine. How about if I fix the trunk? I need to put a magnet on that. Some amazing builds, man. This is why I call myself a hack. Because these are amazing builds. Just the talent, the ideas, everything. 2 rows deep. I'll come around that side. I don't know if you ever saw Death in Paradise, but that's a perfect replica. I love that. One of my favorite shows. Here's Zach's favorite kit. Pretty cool. Yeah, I had to bring the fire truck. Nice. Here's the second table. And I'm telling you, man, the more you look at, the more talent you see. It's just non-stop here. So cool. So neat. I know I'm looking at the back side of these, but there's 2 sides to every build. We'll check that out. I just saw that one the other day online. We'll have to go over and check that one out. All the way down. Non-stop awesome. That's why I call myself a hack, because these guys are good. Look at the color shift on that. I hope this is picking that up. There we go. That is cool. I'm going to have to mess with the color shift here. Oh, nice looking Mustang. coming up the other side here, bring it up with the women's category. Nice. Check that out. Very cool. Very cool. I saw that one last show. I love that setup. I'm like a kid in a candy store here. It just goes on forever. Literally. The talent, the time, and just good memories. Nice. Look at that. And it just keeps on going. We got 2 more tables to go here. Now we had somebody living down the street from me that had one like that. It was red, but it had that big flake glitter in there like that. And like I say, a lot of times you go through here and you look at everything, but it brings back all those good memories from when you were little and cars were made like cars. Coming in a diorama section. Check that out. We've all seen that movie. And I think Wayne's cheating on me here. Sharp. Real nice. Like I said, there's so much talent here. Very cool. A lot of fun. Here's the last table.
That is a unique color.
And what I love is you got everything, you know. There's something here for everybody. And every one of them is just over the top with talent. And I keep saying that, but it's the truth. It really is. And I think, seriously, this is just an unjudged show. It's just everybody's showing off what they got. Real nice. And I was straight up unprepared to get here, or I would have brought more. But I am having a blast. I already spent more than I wanted to. Probably more than I'm allowed to. But we're having fun. Once a year. And this will bring us to the end of the models. And I think I'll cut you off here. A heck of a good show. Met some great people. Talked to some friends. Had a whole lot of fun. So with that, I'm Grandpa Mark. Y'all have a great day and a better tomorrow. Thanks again for watching.